this is definitely the most important thing, which would be, whoa. Alrighty guys, first things first, I'm going to do the unboxing for the 4K Sony camcorder. So the model number of this particular product should be right here. It's a fdr-ax33. This is the first generation Sony 4K camcorder that was released. So or part of the first set, because there's two sets. There's the, I believe the Sony camcorder model number is like 100. That's the first one. This is kind of like a second generation, the AX33, and then there's another one. It's also like AX53, I believe, which is third generation. But I got this for a pretty affordable price, so I think this is going to be neat. And let's get into it. Let's see what we have. We have our manuals. So there's that. So we got a USB cable. Yeah, so there's that. Looks like a USB adapter. It's probably like an extension. That's what it is. This is some kind of charger. It's like right here, so momentarily. So other part of the charger. So there's that, and feels pretty heavy. There we go. It's the 4K Sony camcorder. Yeah, pretty neat. Right. Side has a little grip and little USB cable on the side there. Has a focal zoom thing right there, and there's a manual button to change stuff. 4K camcorder. That's where you'd be able to do your focus, zoom in and zoom out. You can take pictures right there. Your SD card slot, HDMI out. Our menu options are here. Power button, and I guess that's to mute your mic. I'm not sure. And then, oh, awesome! So this right here would be the most important thing on here, which would be the microphone port and headphone jack. So yeah, we can definitely add a mic there. So sweet. There's your adjuster, and this is where your battery's supposed to be. I don't know where it went. I'll have to look for it, but alright, well, thank you guys.